Nagsalita na ang talent manager na si Shirley Cuan tungkol sa kanyang pagre-resign sa management team ng aktres na si Bea Alonzo. Paliwanag po niya, nagkaroon siya ng third trigger point kung saan bigla raw siyang na-uninvite sa isang event na siya mismo ang nag-secure.
I closed this event, I was talking to the client and preparing this event, and I was told by client that I'm disinvited. And I already know what happened. Hindi ako galit, but I'll be a hypocrite if I tell you I'm not offended. Because this has never been done to me. Wala naman akong kasalanan.
Nasaktan daw si Shirley sa pangyayari, kaya't sinabi niya kay Bea na iyon na raw ang kanyang last straw.
And I told Bea, that's the last straw. After I told her that, and she said, no, I didn't know about that. Hindi ko alam yan. Okay, now I'm telling you. And this very moment, this is what I said, as of this very moment, and as of this very day, I am no longer your manager.
Itinanggi rin po ni Shirley ang mga salaysay na pinayuhan niya si Bea na ikansela ang kanyang kasal sa Spain.
I said, I don't know. I had no idea. Bakit ako sinisiraan, non-stop? Ang sabi ko, Bea, you never defended me. Hindi mo ako pinagtanggol eh. Maski privately, you could have told whoever that is the truth. Na wala akong alam dyan. Hindi ako nakialam ever.
Sa ngayon, wala pa pong pahayag si Bea Alonzo tungkol dito.
Mga kapatid, Cheryl Cosing po. Maging maalam at may pakialam sa mga napapanahong issue at headlines. Mag-follow at mag-subscribe na sa social media pages ng News 5.